Hey guys, and welcome to another video. I have some goodies from Born Pretty today. They kindly sent me over some stuff to show you. So some of their new products, they have glitter painting gels, some chrome, and a special chrome top coat. So I'm going to unbox these and show them to you today. And these are my nails, by the way. I was away in Portugal at a wedding. It was absolutely stunning and beautiful. So those are my nails. They're on for about 2 weeks now. And first up, I'm going to show you the silver. So this is super silver. It's so sparkly. These painting gels are all just one coat coverage, so they would be ideal for nail art. But I'm just going to let you watch me swatch these painting gels and I will be back in a couple of seconds. So this super gold, I would say, is a bit of a darker yellow gold. Sometimes golds can be very, very light in colour, nearly virgin on silver, but this one is definitely a true yellow, darker gold. Okay, so next up I'm going to go in with their chrome mirror top coat and the chrome that they sent me. So I looked on the website and it said to cure between 30 and 60 seconds depending on your lamp. So I think I went for about 50 just to be safe. I pulled out this colour from their HEMA free collection just to get as close as possible to my nails, what's on my nails. So I'm just going to paint that on, give it a full cure. And then I'm getting my chrome ready here. So they also gave an eyeshadow applicator to apply the chrome with. So once that colour is on and it's cured, I'm going in with that mirror chrome top coat. Making sure that it's a nice even application, that there's no dips in it at all, and then I pop it in for about 50 seconds. Once that's done, then straight away you're going to go in and rub in your chrome. So I'm rubbing this in here. It's going on absolutely perfectly. The application was perfectly fine. So you can see it's so nice here. It's just, the sparkle is absolutely stunning. I'm going to go in and just rub it in with my glove as well, just to make sure that I have the chrome absolutely everywhere. But yeah, it turned out perfectly. So once I have that done, then I actually popped it back into the lamp just to finish off the cure. And then I'm going to go in and do another layer of top coat to seal everything in. And you can see the sparkle. I'm going to slow it down and show you the sparkle. I do recommend the chrome. The chrome is absolutely perfect. And yeah, I'm going to slow it down here and show you the sparkle. It is so, so nice. And then I popped it back into the lamp to cure, and that is the finished result of the chrome application. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing. I do have a discount code for Born Pretty as well, and I will leave it linked in the description box. And yeah, comment if you have any questions. I know this was a really quick video, but comment if you have any questions about this application and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Here I'm just going to show you a little slowdown of those 4 products that Born Pretty sent me. So thank you so much again, and I will see you in the next one.